In this video, we're going to be talking about how to use Chase business banking application. So let's get straight into the video. So there are a lot of things that you can do with it. So let's get straight into the video. The first thing you want to do is download and install the application onto your mobile device. Head into your App Store or Google Play to do it and sign in into your account. Once you've done that, what you want to do is there are a lot of things that you can do. I'm going to cover those step by step. So the first thing you can do is view accounts and balances. So when you open the home screen, there is going to be a total business account tab and a available balance tab. You can simply go ahead and click on the pay and transfer icon and then transform to move money between your Chase business accounts. You can add from, to, how much, and then when exactly, and click on continue. You can also pay bills, by the way. So just click on pay and transfer and click on pay bills to pay your vendors, service providers, and more. You can also go ahead and deposit checks. So click on the deposit section and follow the steps to deposit your checks. You can also manage cards by heading into the more tab and then business debit cards tab, where you can even lock or unlock your cards if you want. You can also go ahead and approve and payment if you are an approver, and you can also view statement and documents. So I hope this video clarifies everything for you. If you have further more queries, feel free to comment down below, and I'll see you on the next one.